Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable the battery saver on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. So to do this, just go to the top bar and swipe to the right, and here we have battery saver. If you will push it long on this, from here you can enable this feature, and this will restrict the activity of system apps, freeze apps in the background, clear cache wherever device is locked, and turn off services and features with high power consumption. Also, you can enable or disable don't wake up screen for notification, and turn off always on display. So you can enable battery saver from here, and now if you will look on the top bar, you will see this icon on yellow, and also you can disable and enable from here. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.